Hi, this is a quick video to just show you how to navigate our Blackboard page. I'm currently on our home page where the announcements are located, and each week I will post a new announcement just to start off the week and to make sure you understand what we're doing that week. To access your course materials, you'll want to click on the course materials link, and you'll see I've got them arranged by week and the author or authors that we're reading that week. There's also a literary terminology folder at the bottom. So if we click on week one has a welcome message to the class. And each week you'll always have your reading assignments will be listed with a green title. The written assignment will be listed with a blue title, and the discussion will be listed with a red title. Also in week one is an explanation of the author presentation. The written assignments are always due on Sunday night of the week. Discussions are, the first post of the discussion is due Thursday, and then replies to other students are due by Sunday. I've actually put the topic of the discussion within this folder just so that you can note, what the discussion is about, so that when you are reading the assignments you can think about that discussion topic. The reading assignments are typically attached as either PDF or Word. There's also links, there may be links to a video or links to websites that I want you to look at. Once you've read the assigned readings and you're ready to participate in the discussion, or at least get your initial post on, again, the topic is here so that you have an idea of what it's about. But when you're ready to post, you'll need to click on Discussions on the left-hand side, and then click on whichever week you're working on. So obviously you'll start with week one. Now, the weekly discussions you have to post first to be able to see other students' replies. So that's why you'll see this announcement saying this is a post first discussion forum. So you won't see what anyone else has done until you've submitted something. I recommend that you create your discussion post in Word. Type it up in Word first and then copy and paste it into the discussion. That way, in case you have an internet glitch or there's a Blackboard glitch or something weird happens, at least you have it in Word so you don't lose what you've started. So once you've got that typed up in Word, click on Create a New Thread, and you can copy and paste your text right into the text box. For the subject, you can be as creative as you want. It'd be great if you could come up with a creative title instead of something just like week one discussion. So, whatever you can come up with for the subject, I'm not too picky. And then when you're ready to submit, just click the blue Submit button. Let's go back to course materials. Let's go back to week one. So, by Thursday, you're posting to the discussion board. You also will have a weekly written assignment. Again, they'll be attached as a Word doc or as a PDF. I recommend if your computer is able to open Word docs, I recommend you download the Word doc. And let's get that pulled up. And then you can just type your answers right on here, whatever you want to say, and then save it. Once you've completed that assignment, you click on the title, Week 1 Written Assignment, and then click Browse My Computer to find the document. Once you've clicked on that document, you can click Submit. If you need to put comments, that's fine. Typically you wouldn't unless there's something unusual about your submission, but I really, there's no need to put a comment on there. I'll see your submission automatically. And then also by the end of the week, you're going to go back to the discussion forum to post your replies to other students. So you'd go back to the discussion board, click on that discussion again, and then submit your replies. That's basically the two places you'll be using the most, course materials and discussions. I would recommend you always click on course materials first and find the week that we are working on. Feel free to email me at alak2@uis.edu if you have any questions about how to use Blackboard.